Welcome to Reviews Inside TV. Today, we're taking a closer look at the ASUS Vivobook S14 OLED, a laptop that promises a balance of performance, portability, and stunning visuals. With its combination of a powerful AMD Ryzen 9 processor, an impressive OLED display, and plenty of features for both work and play, it's designed to cater to a wide range of users. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The ASUS Vivobook S14 OLED comes equipped with an AMD Ryzen 9 3650U processor, which boasts 10 cores and an AI-enhanced NPU, neural processing unit, capable of delivering 45+ TOPS of performance. This means it can handle everything from heavy multitasking to more demanding applications like photo and video editing with relative ease. Coupled with 24 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, which is some of the fastest memory available, the Vivobook has more than enough power to smoothly run multiple applications at once, without lag or stutter. The 1TB SSD provides ample storage space for your files, ensuring quick boot times and rapid data transfers, so you're not sitting around waiting for things to load. One of the standout features of this laptop is the display. The 14-inch 3K OLED screen, 2880 by 1800, has a 120Hz refresh rate, making it perfect for both creative professionals and casual users who appreciate smooth visuals. The taller 16:10 aspect ratio offers a bit more screen real estate, so you can see more of your work, whether you're editing photos or just browsing the web. The OLED technology ensures vibrant, accurate colors with 100% DCI-P3 color gamut coverage, and the ultra-fast 0.2 milliseconds response time means smooth scrolling and no motion blur when watching videos or gaming. Add in a peak brightness of 600 nits and HDR support, and you're looking at a display that's not just stunning but practical in all lighting conditions. At just 0.63 inches thick and weighing only 2.87 pounds, the Vivobook S14 OLED is an incredibly portable machine. It's light enough to slip into a backpack for all-day portability, yet it doesn't sacrifice power or build quality to get there. Despite its slim profile, ASUS has managed to pack in a decent selection of ports for connectivity. You get two USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A ports for standard peripherals, along with a USB 4.0 Gen 3 Type-C that supports both display output and power delivery. There's another USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C for additional connectivity, plus an HDMI 2.1 TMDS port if you want to hook up an external monitor. For those who need it, a micro SD card reader and a 3.5mm combo audio jack round out the I/O options. It's a well-rounded set of ports that ensures you can connect just about anything without feeling limited. But how does it perform in real-world scenarios? Let's start with office tasks. Whether you're browsing the web, handling spreadsheets, jumping between multiple tabs, or taking video calls, the Vivobook S14 OLED doesn't break a sweat. The 24 GB of RAM and Ryzen 9 CPU make short work of demanding office workloads, and the responsive keyboard and trackpad make typing and navigation smooth. The keyboard features customizable RGB backlighting, which is a nice touch for those who like to personalize their setup. While the typing experience is comfortable for short sessions, longer periods could lead to some fatigue due to the relatively shallow key travel. When it comes to media consumption, the OLED display really shines. The contrast is incredible, and you get deep blacks and vibrant colors. Streaming 4K video looks fantastic, and the display is perfect for editing photos or videos with accurate color representation. The speakers, however, could be a bit louder for those who want immersive sound, but they do get the job done for everyday use. For content creators, the Vivobook S14 OLED holds its own. Whether you're working with high-resolution images or editing 4K video, the powerful Ryzen 9 CPU and large RAM capacity ensure smooth performance. Export times for videos were fast, and multitasking between applications like Adobe Photoshop and Premiere Pro was a breeze. However, for intensive rendering tasks, you might notice some thermal throttling, especially with extended workloads. Gaming performance is impressive for a laptop of this size. While the Vivobook isn't a dedicated gaming machine, it can handle titles like Fortnite, Apex Legends, and even some more demanding games like Call of Duty Warzone at medium to high settings. With the OLED screen's high refresh rate, gaming looks smooth, but you'll likely need to lower the settings for more graphically intense titles to maintain a consistently high frame rate. Speaking of thermals, the Vivobook stays relatively cool under light use, but the chassis can warm up under heavier loads, particularly around the keyboard area. Fan noise is minimal during regular use, but during intensive tasks like gaming or video rendering, it can get a bit louder. If you're planning to use it on your lap for extended periods, the warmth might become uncomfortable, but for desk use, it's manageable. Battery life is solid, with the 50 watt-hour battery providing around 7 to 8 hours of use on a full charge during mixed tasks like web browsing and video streaming. If you're doing more demanding work, such as gaming or video editing, expect closer to 4 to 5 hours of battery life. The 65-watt USB-C charger does its job efficiently, and it's compact enough to take with you on the go, though the charging speed could be a bit faster compared to some other models in this range. The Vivobook S14 OLED is well built, with a sleek and sturdy design. The cool silver finish gives it a premium look without feeling too flashy, and the magnesium aluminum alloy construction makes it feel robust without adding excessive weight. While it doesn't have the same level of build quality as some high-end Ultrabooks, it's still more than enough for everyday use and occasional bumps. As for the ports and connectivity, it does well for its size, with everything you need for productivity and media consumption. The inclusion of USB-C charging and a modern HDMI port makes it compatible with most docking stations, external monitors, and accessories. In terms of value, the ASUS Vivobook S14 OLED comes at a competitive price, given its powerful internals and stunning OLED display. It competes well against other mid-range laptops, such as the Dell XPS 13 or the HP Spectre X360, though it lacks the higher-end graphics found in more premium models. If you're looking for something that balances performance, portability, and an amazing screen for both work and play, this could be the right choice for you. To sum it up, the ASUS Vivobook S14 OLED is a strong contender for anyone in need of a versatile laptop with a high-quality display, strong performance, and a slim, portable design. It's ideal for students, office workers, content creators, and even casual gamers. If you're someone who values portability in a top-tier screen, you won't be disappointed. However, if you're a power user who needs the best gaming or content creation performance, you might want to look elsewhere. Either way, the Vivobook S14 OLED delivers solid value for its price. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in the ASUS Vivobook S14 OLED, be sure to check the comments box for a link to grab one for yourself. Have questions or already own one? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear about your experience. Until next time, keep your tech savvy and your coffee strong.